Welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to edit a sketch plane. First, let's go to the Configuration Manager tab. Let's insert a new configuration. Right-click, Add Configuration. Let's give it a name. We'll call it 02, and let's just accept. Now 02 is my active configuration. Let's return to the Feature Manager. Here's our design tree. Let's right-click on Sketch 2 and select Edit Sketch Plane. Under Configurations, I'm going to select this configuration. And I'm going to select this face. Of course, you can select a plane as well. Let's accept. We'll continue and ignore this error and click Close. From this perspective, it looks like our feature didn't move, but once I rotate the model, you can see that it obviously did. Let's deselect everything, click in blank space. Now right-click and edit our sketch. And here we have a dangling dimension. I'm going to select it and reattach it. Let's change this dimension. For example, we'll make it -30. Accept. Let's exit the sketch. And we need to reverse the extrusion direction. Let's click here, accept. And this concludes our lesson about editing a sketch plane.